Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing and basic setup of the 2019 NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Now they've made some updates to this device since the last update, which was in 2017. First, most obvious is the remote control. It's been completely redesigned, and I've got the box for the 2017 model up here so we can compare. On the 2017 you had a slider for the volume control, which was really difficult to use. Now they've replaced that with some physical volume control buttons, which is going to be a big improvement. And there's also a dedicated Netflix button from the looks of it, so I'm excited to try that out. Some other enhancements: they've got Dolby Vision support on board. So if your television supports Dolby Vision, you'll be able to use it with the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. And also AI upscaling so that your lower resolution looks much better in 4K upscaled. I'm excited to try that out and see how it works. And the only other improvement that I can see here is we've got a newer generation processor, the NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor. But otherwise, everything is about the same as the 2017 model. We've got 3 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. And you've got 2 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and a power port. So let's get it open and see how it looks. All right, we got the box open and looks pretty much the same as the 2017 model. Very sleek form factor. And there we've got our ports at the back. Now we've got the new remote control, and it's kind of triangular, but quite comfortable in the hand. I think that you won't have issues with it rolling around because of the triangular shape, but it's got nice physical buttons for volume control. Quite a few more buttons, so we'll have to see what all of these do. And a nice Netflix button there. So one thing to note is that it does not include an HDMI cable, so you'll need to have a spare HDMI cable ready to go to get up and running. Now underneath here, we should have the power brick and quick start guide. A little tricky to get out of the box. And we've also got a support guide. So we'll plug this in and then we'll go through the basic setup steps. So stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the NVIDIA Shield TV hooked up to our Samsung television here. We've got the HDMI, the power, and the Ethernet ports connected. So the first thing you'll see is this setup screen. So of course you want to select your language, and then it'll go through the setup of your network. Since we're connected to Ethernet, no issues there. And of course you need to sign into your Google account. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, we've got our Google account connected, and now it's going to take us through a new features display. So it's going to tell us to get apps from the Google Play Store, talking to the Google Assistant, casting. It has Chromecast built in. And of course we've got to go through some more settings. Now you get to choose the apps that you want to install that aren't default. So we'll pick a couple here that we might use on the TV. And then we'll let it install those apps. It's got to do a reboot apparently to do an upgrade. Alright, so the device has finished upgrading and it did a reboot, and now we're into the main operating system, and it looks like it's pretty similar to the previous generation of NVIDIA Shield TV. So you've got your standard Android TV interface here, and in the settings there are a few things you want to set with AI upscaling. So you've got a few different options here. Your AI enhanced would be your AI upscaling mode, but there's also an enhanced and a basic mode which you can play around with. So depending on how the source of the video, the resolution, and how you find it performs, you might want to play around with these different settings to see which one works for you. So you might not always want to use AI enhanced for all media. Just see how it works. And then there's some other features here that we're going to play around with once we start using it. So The other thing I've noticed is that the remote control comes with the batteries already installed, so you don't even have to crack open any batteries to get them in. They're ready to go. So a pretty easy, quick setup. We're going to start using this, and stay tuned for a full review video once we've had some time to experience the new NVIDIA Shield TV Pro 2019. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and there's a lot more content coming soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.